समझ लो, there's a very big difference between a break for relaxation and a break which turns into a distraction. आप सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम फोन, procrastination. Something called as the 80-20 rule. To tell you that strategies are fine, but in my managing time for me is more about psychology rather than strategy. Strategy.
Approximately the same thing. You know why? Because they all have, like, on my board I have the former dean of IIM Ahmedabad.
Very easily, right? We tend to procrastinate a lot. We tend to push out things till the very end, right? Abhi bhi registrations on hai CAT ki. Some of you might have registered. Some of you are here to just drink coffee and then think कि register करें या ना करें, right? You tend to push it till the very end, and then for the exam also maybe you think कि इस बार तो prepare करनी पड़े, एक बार दोबारा next time try करेंगे. And even if you're not that sort of people, you are like, we are very dedicated. We follow all our schedules. We prepare a plan for ourselves. We are, the best kind of students that any teacher can have. It's okay, The reason is because CAT का जो exam होता है ना, वो ऐसी dates पे schedule होता है when you are having your other exams as well. How many of you have your end-term examinations, semester examinations as we usually call them? How many of you know there's something called as the 80-20 rule? Now good, at least वो यहाँ से हाथ वहाँ तक जा रहा है, that's good. I'm not going to talk about any of those tricks and tips for time management because you're going to find all of them on internet. Blogs, podcasts, videos, books, सबके पास इन चीज़ों का access है, right? और मैं Google से कोई बहुत better नहीं हूँ, मैं उसका आधा भी नहीं हूँ, right? I'm just a very limited in my mind kind of a professor. So, I'm just going to tell you that strategies are fine. But in my mind, we have been thinking about time management a little wrongly. हम बहुत फोकस करते हैं strategies बना लो, ये book में ये लिखा था तो इसको follow कर लो, एक schedule बना लो, and then we are done. We can prepare for any exam. But what I want you to learn right now is, managing time for me is more about psychology rather than strategy. Strategy is good at its place, but then कुछ ऐसा ना हमारा दिमाग इतना controlling phase में है हमारा that there are a few points of psychology also, how our human mind works that we need to understand. ठीक है? So quickly I'm going to tell you just 2 or 3 points which you can think upon later because introspect करना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. And I'm going to tell you why psychology becomes so important whenever we're preparing for any exam. Not only CAT, Math, ZAT, SNAP, whatever, any exam. And then juggling also between so many exams that you as students will have to face. So सबसे पहली चीज़, distraction. सब distracted है. अब मतलब मेरे सेशन में तो मुझे कम distractions लग रही हैं because apparently all of my speakers were so good that they were able to capture the attention and that worked in my benefit because now I have your attention. But distraction is a very common problem, right? How many of you get distracted very easily because of your phones? सबसे बड़ी problem phone. सबसे बड़ी problem phone. हमें ना ये समझ नहीं आता कि जब हम पढ़ रहे हैं ना, हमारा तो बड़ा अच्छा एक्सक्यूज है, हम पढ़ रहे हैं, हम बेचारे बच्चे इतने एफर्ट्स डाल रहे हैं, बीच में 5 मिनट के लिए फोन उठा लिया माइंड को ब्रेक देने के लिए, तो क्या चला जाएगा किसका दुनिया में? Guys, एक चीज समझो, the first thing that you open in your phone, Instagram, any social media app. For some of you it might be WhatsApp, for some of you it might be Instagram, for some of you it might be Snapchat, or what else? मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है सोशल मीडिया के नाम से.
YouTube,
LinkedIn. ओहो. Good, LinkedIn. LinkedIn can also be a source of distraction, by the way. And someone said YouTube as well. And कुछ तो ऐसे होंगे प्लेटफॉर्म जिसके बारे में तो मुझे भी नहीं पता, ठीक है? All of these platforms, अगर आप इनको खोलते हो, चाहे Instagram हो, Snapchat हो, YouTube हो, उसमें क्या देखते हो आप? Videos, reels,
shorts,
shorts, messages from your friends, from your followers. Entertainment मिलता है, dopamine increase होता है, बड़ा मजा आता है. I'm also on Instagram by the way. I'm on Facebook as well. I'm on YouTube as well. I'm on LinkedIn as well. ठीक है? So it's not like I don't know about what kind of pleasure we get out of watching all of these stuff. Problem बस इतनी है. Psychology suggests that anything which has a visual effect on our brain, which increases our dopamine levels, it's not going to last for 5 minutes. आप रील खोलते हो ना सोच के कि 5 मिनट, वो 5 मिनट नहीं रहता है. जो कंट्रोल कर पाके 5 मिनट तक देखते हैं भाई, बट ना मुझसे होता है, और जितनी जनता को मैं जानती हूँ, जितने स्टूडेंट्स को मैं जानती हूँ, उनसे भी नहीं हो पाता है. So if you're watching something which is giving a visual appeal and which increases your dopamine level, I'm sorry, it's not going to last as a break for 5 minutes. In fact, 15 minutes भी last नहीं होना. वो कब आधा घंटा निकल जाएगा आपके हाथ से आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. Can you all relate to this? जिसने किया है मुझे सुनाई दे यार. Again, kudos to you, whoever did this. ठीक है? अब इस केसेस में आपको बस ये ध्यान रखना है that break is extremely important whenever you're putting in huge amounts of efforts. But maybe do something which is not increasing your dopamine levels to that extent, but it's actually providing you relaxation. क्या कर सकते हो? क्या कर सकते हो? इसके अलावा क्या कर सकते हो? बाहर वॉक. Although यहाँ पे इतना कुछ है नहीं सांस लेने के लिए, ठीक है, except from pollution, but you can obviously go for a walk and witness the greenery. What else? Apps? Oh my favorite. That's my favorite. Take a power nap. जब मुझे मौका मिलता है मैं सो जाती हूँ. If you are my category, great. What else? Listen to music. Good. Listen to music. Take a shower. Eat something that you like a chocolate or something. Anything which is not increasing your dopamine level to these extents कि वो आपके दिमाग में रह जाए, that is actually a break. So please remember, distraction is not something that you can eliminate altogether. अगर आप वो कोशिश करो तो sorry हो नहीं पाएगा, but at least you can control it by ensuring कि visual appeal वाली चीज़ों को थोड़ा सा दूर रखो अपने से. This includes your reels, shorts, statuses and TV as well. Second चीज़ जो problem मैंने बहुत देखी है, मैंने बहुत खुद से I've suffered a lot from this, is procrastination. बहुत ही ऐसा technical सा term है, but I hope you know the meaning of procrastination. How many of you procrastinate? सबके हाथ जा रहे हो, पर हाँ सब में problem है, ठीक है. I should also raise my hand. I also procrastinate a lot. Now what happens is we tend to procrastinate because we are lazy. अगर आप ये सोचते हो कि मैं lazy इसलिए मैं procrastinate कर रहा हूँ, you're not lazy. You procrastinate, again research suggests, you procrastinate because there's usually a fear inside us कि हम अगर काम करेंगे तो वो अच्छे से नहीं हो पाएगा. अगर हमने आज प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट की, प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले तो हमें देखना चाहिए ना शेड्यूल क्या होना चाहिए, क्या पैटर्न होना चाहिए. सो बाद में स्टार्ट करेंगे, पहले ना बात कर लेते हैं लोगों से, समझ लेते हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं, वो कैसे कर रहे हैं. So all of these factors lead us to procrastinate कि फेलियर हो जाएगा या we are not going to perform up to the mark. Accept it. इसके लिए मेरे पास as such कोई solution नहीं है, but I'll give you one recommendation. जिनके हाथ में फ़ोन है वो लिख लो अभी. There's a very moving TEDx talk by Tim Urban by the topic Inside the Mind of a Master Procrastinator. कभी टाइम मिले 15 मिनट का, it's just a 15 minute talk. Look at it. अभी मत खोल के देखना, ठीक है? But you can just note it down. Inside the Mind of a Master Procrastinator. It's a TEDx talk by Tim Urban. It's going to change your perspective about procrastination, right? There's no way to eliminate it, but it's actually going to give you some directions कि हाँ हमारे दिमाग में हो क्या रहा है हम जो हम procrastinate कर रहे हैं. I cannot play it right now. I cannot speak about it right now because Tim Urban को ही बताने दो आपको, ठीक है? He's a much better speaker and narrator than me. So procrastinate अगर करते हो, just accept it. Be compassionate about yourself and just be stop comparing yourself with others कि उसने start कर दिया मैंने start नहीं किया. And the last thing which is very close to my heart, how many of you believe this thing कि मैं आधा घंटा पढ़ लेता हूँ फिर 5 मिनट ब्रेक ले लेता हूँ, फिर आधा घंटा पढ़ लेता हूँ फिर 5 मिनट ब्रेक ले लेता हूँ, ठीक है? ये जो चीज़ है ना 25 minutes we study or 30 minutes we study and take a 5 minutes break, it's a technique which is known as the Pomodoro technique, right? I'm not a very big fan of this technique. So A lot of people say that our mind works in sprints rather than marathons. Sprints मतलब छोटी दौड़ भागता है, मैराथन मतलब लंबी. So हमारा माइंड लंबी दौड़ नहीं भाग पाता है, छोटी छोटी दौड़ भागता है. So let's work for a few minutes, take a break for a few minutes, and that's how we repeat the cycle. But let me tell you, this thing may not work for everyone. It does not work for me. If this does not work, what works? कुछ लोगों के लिए काम ही नहीं करता. This is useless. आधा घंटा करो, फिर 5 मिनट का ब्रेक, अच्छा वेट करो, अच्छा 5 मिनट खत्म कब हो गया, दोबारा स्टार्ट करूंगा मैं. नो. अगर ये वर्क नहीं करेगा तो क्या वर्क करेगा? ओह अच्छा 30 मिनट्स को 1 घंटा कर दो, ठीक है. फिर 5 मिनट का ब्रेक ले लो, इंक्रीज द टाइम, और मे बी यू क्रिएट द सिलेबस एंड देन कवर दैट सिलेबस डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाटएवर टाइम इट टेक्स. अपोजिट थ्योरी बोलती है दैट्स समथिंग नोन एज द फ्लो स्टेट. Whenever you are sitting for doing something, not only about examination, anything that you're doing, अगर आप एक flow state में हो, जहाँ पर आपका पूरा efforts, efficiency and focus state है, you're going to give your best without looking at how much time has gone into that activity. What I'm trying to tell you, because my time is up, time management के बारे में session दे रही हूँ और मेरा खुद का time management अच्छा नहीं है. What I'm trying to tell you is, don't just blindly follow certain techniques. Know what works for you. For me, flow state works. मतलब मैं एक काम में घुस जाती हूँ. I don't care about the time. I don't care about the break. मुझे जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती because I'm so into that task. But for some of the people I know, they need breaks. The mind stops working after half an hour or 1 hour. They desperately need breaks, right? You should understand what works for you, and for that you'll have to self-introspect and see what has worked for you in the past as well. इतना ज्ञान बस काफी था.